Hello everyone, I am Dhanush from the Department of Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. Today I am going to tell about a small talk about milling cutters. First of all, what is a milling? Milling is a process of machining to remove materials by advancing cutters into a workpiece. A milling cutter insert. You can see there is an image. The insert are the rotating tools having one or multiple teeth during the milling process. Each cutter's tools cut the workpiece by one, and these are used mainly for making steps milling and milling plane. Next, we are going to show about plain milling cutter. A plain milling cutter are cylindrical in shape, have two teeth only on a perineum surface. These types of milling cutter are used to produce a flat surface and plain, often horizontal surface. A face milling cutter. A face milling cutter are made with a large diameter of the cutters. It is bolted or fastened with a spindle nose. It is used in face milling operation where flat surface are produced. Next is about T-slot milling cutter. A T-slot milling cutter are special form of end mill. They are used for making T-slots. The teeth are of circumference on the both side of the cutter. Next topic is about gang milling cutter. A gang milling cutter is a type of milling cutters where several surfaces are machined on the workpiece. The next topic is about up milling and down milling. Up milling is mostly used in this method. The workpiece moves in an opposite direction of the rotation of the cutter. The chips cuts through the thin spot of the workpiece. Let's see about down milling. A down milling cutter, the workpiece moves in the same direction, and down milling used only where it is needed. The chips cut from the rough side of the portion. This method can also used for deep cuts. Cutting speed. Cutting speed of a milling cutter. The cutting speed of the milling cutter is the speed at which the circumference of the cutters moves as much as meter per minute when the machining certain material. The equation of finding the cutting speed is V is equal to pi by Tn by 1000, where V stands for cutting speed, D stands for diameter of the milling cutter, N stands for the milling cutter speed in RPM. Speed is the rate at which the rotating cutter enters in the workpiece, which is measured in mm per minute. We can calculate the speed by F is equal to F into N by capital N, where capital F stands for feed rate and small f stands for feed per tooth. Small n stands for number of teeth of the milling cutter, and capital N stands for rotational speed of the milling cutter. By this, we are going to end our session and we conclude about what is a milling cutter and its types and how to calculate